A lot of people, when they come to Sicily, they ask me, why are there all these ceramic decorative head vases on balconies and in gardens? Well, the legend goes, there was a young Moor and a Sicilian girl in the period of the domination of the Moors in Sicily. A young, beautiful Sicilian girl spent her days alone in the house, dedicating her attention to her plants on her balcony. From the top of the lush balcony, she was soon noticed by this Moor, who fell madly in love with her and openly declared his passion for her. She was pleasantly struck by this promise of love and gave herself to him. But after a short period of time, she discovered that the Moor was hiding a very serious secret. He had wife and children waiting for him in the east, and it was time for him to return home. The young Sicilian girl was devastated to discover this and became so angry, and she wanted revenge. So one night, while the Moor was sleeping, she struck him dead so he would never leave her again. She cut his head off and with it created a vase where she placed a basil sprout, which is also named the king, Basilius, hence the crown placed on the head. So she continued to take care, water, and never leave her Moor again. She placed him on her balcony, and the basil grew and grew, and the neighbors could smell this basil and saw this beautiful vase, and they were envious, so they made similar ones. That is why you now see all these beautiful decorative ceramic Moor heads all over Sicily. How's it, everybody?
How's it, beautiful people?
So we're on our way to Catania Airport because my daughter is arriving, and we haven't seen her for 5 months nearly? Yeah. So it's been a long time. Can't wait to see her. So this week it's going to be all about Claudia.
Yay!
I love the products here. Nice little bar. Nice food as well, guys. Look at this. Very nice. What are you drinking, Max?
Freshly squeezed orange.
Amazing. Sicilian orange. Can't beat that. Turn around because we can't hear you.
Starting out with my aviary.
Yeah.
Starting small and then obviously.
What's your favorite birds? Me, of course.
African grey parrot.
Oh, okay. Not me then.
Well, you're half African. So
yeah, that's true. All right, I'll leave you to it. I'm going with Claudia to Ortigia.
Have a lovely morning.
I bet you can't wait to get rid of us.
Oh yeah, goodbye.
Ciao. Claudia came down only for 4 days, and obviously the 4th day she had to leave by 1 o'clock. This was day 1, and we decided just to take a little shopping trip to Ortigia, have some lunch, and just spend the day together. it warm?
Va bene, allora adesso ho scelto il profumo Florio, il 30 ml, è molto bello, è floreale.
Lei come si chiama, signora?
Io mi chiamo Tiziana.
Tiziana. Da quanto tempo lavori qua?
Oddio, dal 2004, oramai quest'anno ho fatto 20 anni,
Ehi!
esattamente 20 anni che lavoro presso questa azienda.
Mi fa piacere.
Sono una veterana.
Ecco, bellissimo. So if you want to come and have a look, this is the Ortigia shop, and we are in Ortigia, and they have amazing things here like perfumes, soaps, home perfumes, little gifts and things. Lovely. So my daughter, together with my sister, decided to treat me to a little late Christmas present, and I had to choose a perfume, and I've always was intrigued by this shop, so we decided to go in, and I found the perfume that I really loved. Ortigia is extremely quiet during winter, which is actually really nice. And we found this cafe restaurant. It's called Pesce di Mare. Massimo and I came here last time and we had a seafood sandwich and it was pretty good. So we stopped off and we had some lunch together. So this is our little lunch. I wouldn't call it little, but anyway, a couple of flavors of arancine, some fish, some meat, big salad, and some nice chips. Yeah, nice glass of, what was the wine called, Claudia? Insolia, white wine, dry white wine, a bit of bread. What more?
How's it, beautiful people? Look
Hello.
who we got with us today.
So we're actually here in Taormina.
Yeah, Taormina, so we're going to do a walkabout today.
Taormina in winter. Different.
Okay, let's go.
How's it?
How's it, beautiful people? Look who we got with us.
I feel extremely lucky to live on this beautiful island called Sicily. There is always something to see and somewhere to visit. And as you can see, the weather is always lovely and sunny. Taormina is a hilltop town on the east coast of Sicily. It sits close to Mount Etna. It's also known for its ancient Greek-Roman theatre. It's an extremely touristic destination. In fact, us locals try to avoid it during July and August because it gets so full that it becomes unpleasant even to walk down the streets. Coming out of season is the best time because you get to see everything without the crowds. As soon as you pass the stone arch, you see expensive shops alongside ancient buildings. Taormina is considered an extremely expensive place by the Sicilians. This thanks to the great influx of tourists. Most of the restaurants, hotels adopt higher prices compared to the other places on the island. Okay, so we're waiting for Massi. He's way behind, isn't he?
Yeah, I don't know where he is.
What do you want to do in Taormina, Claudia?
I just want to do some shopping, buy some jewelry, maybe.
But first of all, we need to
Eat food.
Claudia, do you want a Rolex? Quick, decide now. Where's your sunglasses, girlie? Come on. I don't think that's it. Here we are in the main square with its checkered floor, which leads you to a fantastic view overlooking the coastline. Taormina has its very own cable car, which takes tourists to and from the seaside resort down along the coast. It has extensive beaches, rocky coves and tiny islands, such as the famous Isola Bella, but more of that island later on. Beautiful. And the sea. Bruschetta with pomodoro, with tomatoes, bufala. They're taking the piss out of me, guys. Salad. Massie's got some tagliatelle with mushrooms. We've all got a nice little drink and we're waiting for chips. And?
Vabbè, senti una cosa, buon appetito.
Buon appetito!
Grazie, arrivederci. Ciao.
Wonderful. See you later. Look at this garden. Wow. So pretty. Okay. Yeah, sorry. Claudia's waiting for me. Let's go see this Greek theatre.
eating fast.
Claudia, I'm so unfit.
I'm really not.
Steps are quite steep. We thought we were fit.
Clearly not.
Clearly not. The view is beautiful. We don't smoke.
I do. So I have an excuse. I don't know about you.
Old age. Make sure you don't wear high heels when you come here, that's for sure. This ancient theatre of Taormina is without a doubt the most important feature for sightseers, also because of its position and its splendid views of the Ionian coast and Mount Etna. The construction of the amphitheatre starts probably by the Greeks in around the 3rd century BC, and it was later renovated and expanded by the Romans, who inserted columns, statues, and ingenious covers. Tickets cost around €12 per person, a little bit less if you're younger than 25 years old.
We're at the Greek theatre, as you can see.
Yeah, I must see we left him behind, TikToking.
He's a man. What? Is it foggy? It's just my eyes.
Your eyes. On the highest part of the theatre, you can find a beautiful bar overlooking the view, and here it is breathtaking. Honestly, you feel so small compared to the rest of the world. We had an absolutely beautiful day in Taormina. As I said, there were hardly any tourists. The lunch was amazing. The views were spectacular. We didn't go down to Isola Bella, which is the little islet down at the bottom. But I do have a few photos and videos which we took last year when we went down to Isola Bella. So I will pop them on here now.
You have two brinjals, please.
Brinjals? Never heard that before. Brinjals.
Thank you, darling.
You're welcome.
Claudia, can you scoop me up an egg? Don't worry, I'm almost got it.
You got two actually. Claudia's got one and I've got one. Thanks.
Too sophisticated with knives,
What are you trying to say?
Eggplant.
Today the weather was so good that we actually decided to eat outside. Mussy wouldn't be Mussy if he didn't have some sort of a project going on. He decided to dismantle the old chicken coop and upcycle the wood to make a little aviary, which he is starting to make slowly, a little bit at a time. Rudy, last evening. Enjoy.